Welcome to another video. Today I want to show you how to connect the power connector on an RG59 camera wire. As you can see, this is your video feed. This side of the wire carries the 12 volt DC direct current. We've got a DC male with a pigtail. We've got a screw-on type. You've got a DC female screw-on type or a DC female with the pigtail. What we're going to need to do first is we're going to take our DC male. I like to use this cable. So what I do, I measure it to be the same as the top end of my BNC. Then what I do, I take my side cutter, cut my original wire, and then I leave a bit on my pigtail and I cut. Okay, now what we need to do is to take our side cutter and gently give it a squeeze and pull. You will notice there's a red and a black. A red is our plus and the black is our minus. Also on your power supply, red goes to plus, black goes to minus. And again, we're just going to clean up our wire and give it a nice clean point here. Okay. Now what you will see, I'm going to give it a bit of a twist. If it's not long enough, you can just clean it a bit more to give you a bit more place to work with. Give it a turn. Okay, now on this side of our pigtail, just split it. You will see on the wire is a white stripe. That indicates positive or red. This side has no stripes, it's negative. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to do the same, just clean up our wire, take the side cutter, gently push and pull. Now we turn it, give it a twist. Okay, so what we're going to do now, find the stripe. That one goes to positive. Then you can just twist it together. Now, very important, take your insulation tape and isolate that connection. This is 12 volt. It can make a fire, cause a short, and it is very important to isolate your connections. Take your insulation tape, start from a bit back and isolate your connection properly. Make sure there's no copper sticking out so that the plus and the minus doesn't touch. It will make a short. Okay, then there's another one left. That's your negative. Just turn it, give it a twist. There we go. Then you take your insulation tape and you tape it up nicely. Okay, what I usually do as well, afterwards, if they are both individually taped, then I take my insulation tape and I do both of them again, just to keep them together. Okay, and there you go. There's your power and there's your video side of the cable. Now I want to show you quickly, this is a multimeter. You've got two prongs, positive, negative. Now to connect this multimeter, the black goes to COM, that's your common ground. And your power, or the red one, goes to your V or to the MA. In the next lesson, I will show you how to measure voltage and how to diagnose common CCTV problems when you don't get any power on your line, where to go and look. And I'm going to also show you how to use diagnostic tools. You get the gold tool or you get a tone tracer that can make diagnostics very easy. For now, that's how we connect our DC male connection. Stay tuned and you can see in our next video, we can discuss all the other parts of CCTV diagnostics.